people, good everyone, and welcome to Harmless TV. Today matter now our boo Torina want to talk. I we not know say people when they wicked when they do battle, no say that they fear. My brother, I know they fear, I know they fear, I know they fear. If you know they fear, I be say your hand clean, no, because if your hand not clean, and nobody go pursue you, don't they run already. Oh my people, this matter and our boo when be Buhari, the Nigeria government now when be audacious when they claim say nothing they happen. My guy, it don't happen this time. Oh no, Abubu don't fear, die, bege. The committee for South, oh, say me Bubu come they arrange the kind rumors when they grant when it be say Bubu with the children, then they claim the oil when it be say they for South, they for Benden, they don't they claim them already. And the many things they when it be say they happen for that South, especially for Delta State when it be say it get one town when they call Agbo. For that time or so, get one village when be say they there, but two villages when they call Idmesa and Utokpo. They say for these two villages, so more than 250 guys, young boys, so 18 to 20 something years, say they don't die finish, so they don't know what they kill them. So these people, they get their particular issue when it be say they won't explain, give their boo, their Buhari, but Buhari if fear die. Buhari here say he won't go visit South. Now Buhari say only he no go fear enter road. I think say you know they shake. Fulani don't fear he German. Mama mia. I think say no they shake. Now Buhari say like yo, say he no they go unless the DSSSS, the Inspector General of Police, and the police dog, unless all of them follow him. Unless Boko Haram himself, when they for Sambisa Forest, Shehu Shagari, I mean a Shehu Shagi waiting, and with the group. Unless then they follow him. If not, say no, they move. You want make the brain. Now we say the answers now that day now go end. Daddy, boo. We still say you know they feel now don't share it for your brain. Imagine the kind of insult, my people. Buhari make the people of South, the people of Benden as a whole, make them come. He make them prepare for the whole food days. Those people, they even did there, like the day back, self, now they take prepare. The whole governors, the whole king, chiefs, the people when we say they get value for the land. They leave everything where they do. They prepare. They wait for Buhari. They don't see Buhari. They don't even see any single minister, self. Now they for worst. No Buhari, no single minister, nobody to attend them. Buhari no fear. The one when pay me pass self. Now to make our Obi Efizomo the second, the Obi of our land, Obi of Ika land, Owa. To make that man move, go the wait for Buhari no concern. Buhari will you be safe? Buhari, the people go flog you cane if you not take time. You see that will be a Fizomo the second, so when he be saying of be of our kingdom, that man will not the dukes and joke, not play with them. You not fear Buhari, You see Dr. Efizomo Emmanuel for there now. You not even can say make you fly, leave police dog and police rats, make you come answer our baba. You sit down. Next time not try them. And they don't give you some hours, may you take answer them. The one when come make me laugh for this matter, my people. Now we can all for inside. Me, I don't know which one be we can matter for inside. We can me and you will go the digger unless you start to they kill my people. If not, I not go leave you alone. As you they kill them, so I go say they come they tell you every time, say waiting you they do not good, may you stop. The one will make me laugh for this matter. Now the way when we can they look the governor of Delta State when be Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa. I never see big. When Ifeanyi come out, my dear people, Ifeanyi say, I just get call now from Buhari. Buhari say make all of una pardon am. Say they wait for police dog and police rats. They wait for all this one. If not, he don't reach airport already. But people when they wait, they never come. It go they make them difficult for them to come because if nobody they escort them, my dear, they know they tell you say make you know they fear Wafi. Now never person go tell you. If you land for that area, you go know why they call them Wafi. You understand? Now Okowa they talk to The people, they explain, they give them, say, Buhari don't call. If una, make una watch the video now. Na, make una watch and I see. See, when we get they look Okowa, you look and go up, you look and come down. Na side the eyes, so. Now say, show. We can which one be your own. You and Buhari na 5 and 6. If Okowa na can't answer Buhari cause na he descend, what be your problem? You don't know na responsible person na everybody go they choose. You understand? Even they say Buhari no they hear words na stubborn God because in number one illiterate na as we will not go school, him too he not go. Because if Papa no go school, I not believe say children go study. No understand. So if Buhari na come they send Okowa message, which one be your own? Now because say Okowa na responsible man. Now because say Okowa no carry people go they soldiers go they killing people. No. Now because so Okowa arrange it down where make it be say make war, make problem not come out for them. But your own be so. You come they tell us say then also they kill soldiers, now so they kill this one. Cross River State governor, you know how many things when be say they thief for his state? You know how many parliament when they break for them? How many better work when the man said don't they plan before when they even scatter? But all this one, you don't send anybody go kill anybody. Even the cry said they pay them for him. Body say if to say get money, if people for not they suffer, all this problem for not they happen. But you whether they come wicked, you wicked, you wicked, you wicked, you say now you won't come kill our people finish. Lagos State governor go do it own. Now wicked you go do your own. Not find where you go run enter if he set. Now go they approve your bad when you do or may you go they beg now because if you see me you can't they lie like all these Lagos State soldiers and their governor or up and down. You see that land that south when you did so that land you not go contain you. So it's better you just go plead for forgiveness. This time when you be say day early, make you for know where you go stay. You see Buhari now when you be saying your papa in the fear not to even go in village. In the fear and go visit your children. Let him be their papa. Now go see your children for village. They run. Say if a soldier not follow you, if police dog not follow you, you know they go visit. Who you do? Now me you do. If there's some person they do where you go say where person waiting they talk not good. If there's some person they do better thing, you go say who be you? If you not do bad, you not go succeed. Now succeed now. You they find DSS. Okay. Now FBI now then go escort you come next time. Then they wait for you. You never still go address the issue when we say they for Delta State, when they for Agbo. Then we never hear your voice one day. You never talk come out for inside. How you go to solve that problem when we say a mysterious disease they kill your people? You never talk come out. Buhari, may you take your time and just go apologize to Obi Efizomo the second, Dr. Emmanuel Efizomo. Go apologize to that our Odeshi. If not Buhari, na Ken will go flog you for your nyash. I bet my people make una relax. Make una watch how the people come they provoke now. The chief of Bakassi dey there, everybody dey there. You hear say Bakassi dey, na make you not go. So free. Bakassi dey there, na make you not go. Never see you never see Asanwana. Only Bakassi you say you know they go. Never see area boys. Say you know they go. The people when you use your hand they train. The hoodlums when you be saying now you train them, now you they give them money, make they take the key for you. Now that they wait for you now, you not go. Go answer their call because it's so urgent. If not, they don't tell them, say make they know the answer no when the government and governor when they know they pick their call again. If you not go solve this problem, so none of your call where they go pick for all of this stage when you be say you don't fuck up. So that next time you go know as you go take arrange. Thank you all for watching and remain blessed, my viewers. Make una take look at the video and see how everything they happen. Now understand and I saw the matter is. Bye.
Today in the South, we have sat here since morning to this time, and there is no single minister. I was telling the senator, I said there's no single minister here, from here. There's nobody representing anybody here. And 6 of you are there, and all of us are here. We are going to take a decisive decision.
If the federal government of Nigeria have taken this decision, because there is no way, there is just no excuse at all. There is nothing happening in Nigeria, if it is not happening in the Niger Delta, that will call off such a meeting, then there is nothing happening anywhere in Nigeria, no matter the excuse that they have sent down to users.
I got a call from the villa. Very unfortunately, and spoke with the Chief of Staff to Mr. President, and he did ask that I should please apologize to the South-South that they are already there at the airport. He's there at the airport with the ministers, but because of the emergency meeting and the further meeting of Mr. President with the Inspector General of Police and the DG SSS, that it will be difficult for them to come for this meeting without these two persons in their midst. In fact, I believe that at that moment I was very confused, because I know that we are taking all our leaders from their various homes since yesterday, and the governors themselves have left everything they ought to do through yesterday and through the night to this morning. We are going to convey this message to the Chief of Staff, to Mr. President, and I'm sure the press is here with us, and they should appropriately also communicate it that we desire, as a region, an unreserved public apology to the region, particularly to our traditional rulers and the leaders in this zone.
Now we've been here only to be told that the meeting had been cancelled. After this long, sitting in one seat for this number of hours, we felt this is a complete disregard for the traditional rulers and the region, the South-South region.
Carry this message, nah, give Gambari. Make Buhari they here. We they give them just few days. We go rumble the economy of this country. As I wanna, enough of the insult. Me, I first know say this meeting no get ahead. Because everything about Niger Delta na joke. Everything about South na joke. All the politicians wey be appointees for South supposed to don't come this state. They supposed to don't stay here. Since this meeting was planned, all the ministers from South, where them dey? Are they not supposed to be the first people to come for the stakeholders meeting? Are we not supposed to, as a people, have had discussions? They play politics with South. If South not there, they for appoint them. All of them don't make friend finish. They don't go that side make friend finish. Now 2023 be their problem. 2023 Abi. If I say that, see, make them know NSAS na play. NSAS na play. Make it happen for this South. It go be. This one don't show now. We be our governor. See all those play when they play with this bull. More I just carry this message. They go out. That don't play don't end. This laugh one they laugh with presidency don't end. No, not be our problem. If you like, I send letter to you tomorrow. No, it not accept my letter. It no concern me. I don't talk. They laugh when they laugh with the presidency. Not be our problem. When I go Abuja, if I say the allocation they sweet on her. And I go come plan meeting finish from where on our day, on our way in our own side, on our be like strong men. See us on the week. Not the week they give Gambari. Gambari we just take office some few days ago. Just imagine. Someone for a product of struggle. What do they do? Gambari go just call you. They cancel meeting. A whole governor of Delta State. When in the march, youths of Niger Delta they behind you. Gambari they cancel your meeting when you fit for South. You don't tell us something. Now I make the name they like us. Because we know if we take the nonsense from them. And if we are not resolve this matter within the next few days, our own answers get another tune. We cannot be taken for granted all the time. See East West Road, they rotting, they go. People, they die every day. They send a consultation, they still cancel them. Then they dash us money, when they call 13% innovation that they take. You don't reach after this meeting, we no hold like this. We're going to reject all those offers. Until we and this government sit down like this. Even allocation say money no collect. No, because we need to inconvenience ourselves to get result. Not gonna no collect anything from them again. Not gonna at least to show say on our respect South. Not gonna no pick any call from presidency. At least within the next 24 hours. If they take their phone call, if I say on not sell us out. This meeting is as important as any other meeting in this Nigeria. I know we'll talk again. I play that very foul.
It's Melody Sound.